Gardneri P82 or blue Lyretail killifish. Latin name is Fundulopanchex gardneri. I'll put the name on the screen, but I think I might have gotten that one right for once. Now, of course, I'd heard the name killifish before, but I'd never actually seen one in person or up close, so I didn't really know what they were, and I'm very happy that I met these fish. So in the wild, these fish are native to the Cross River in Nigeria, in the Benue River of Cameroon and Nigeria, along with several mountains in the area as well. They live in creeks, swamps, streams, and pools in heavily forested areas that are humid, in parts of the savanna and the rainforest. Now, some of these areas may experience a complete dry up during the season or hold water year round. It's not really sure because people aren't observing them throughout the year. This killifish species was first found in 1911 by George Balgner, who was a zoologist, and he named them after R.D. Gardner, who was the first to collect these fish from the Okwuk tributary of the Cross River in Nigeria. They were actually first introduced in the hobby in 1913, and the species has kind of just been passed around between killifish owners and breeders all around the world, with some actually still making the trek to Africa to collect these guys wildly. Now, this is actually one of the more common species that you can find in the hobby compared to other ones. So as far as tank parameters go, the smallest size I would say you want to keep these in for safety if you're new at them is about a 10 gallon with a ratio of 1 to 2 or 3 females. And they're going to get around 2.5 inches. Now currently, I keep mine in a 5 gallon, but it is extremely heavily planted, and I do bi-weekly changes of water to make sure everything stays clean. Temp wise, anywhere from 68 to 78 degrees is going to be okay. pH of 60 to 75. There's really no magic number, just consistency is the key. So if you're going to keep these guys, keep the temperature and pH as consistent as possible. They are also a carnivore in the wild, so they'll feed on insects and small crustaceans. So you can feed them things like Daphnia, tubefix, or bloodworms. I feed the freeze-dried version. You can also throw in a micro pellet from Macari or an extreme nano or something small, even a flake food or a small pellet, and they'll most likely take to that as well. I have been feeding mine primarily the co-op fry food, and they do well on that. And if you want to try your hand at breeding them, go with a live baby brine shrimp. Just feed that consistently to the parents. That way they know there's a constant food source in the tank that they can feed off of. And of course, do regular water changes, which will mimic rainfall and to keep the water level high, so they'll think it's breeding time, and they'll actually lay rather consistently. And the newly hatched fry are actually big enough to feed on the same baby brine shrimp. And as I mentioned, I've been using straight co-op food for the most part, and they will take that from the get-go as well. And I've only had these for 5 months, and I've already managed to get them to breed, and I never was able to get an egg layer to breed before, so just throwing that out there. And you can actually keep these fish in a community tank with fish of similar size or slightly smaller, as long as you have a lot of hiding spots in the form of live plants or decor for them. But if it's too small of a tank, and you have more than one male in there can be aggression towards one another, and unfortunately, one will end up being killed. Now, these are a truly stunning fish, and one that I'm extremely happy that I found during the Keystone Clash back in September, and I hope that vendor's back again because I really want to try some other species of Achilles as well. So for the sheer coolness of this fish, their small size, the overall ease of breeding, and just the stunning colors that these guys have, I'm going to go ahead and give them a perfect 10 out of 10. As always, thank you all so much for watching the video. If you're new here and enjoy the content, think about hitting that sub button. Leave a comment down below. Let me know if you've heard of these guys before, if you've kept killifish, what species you kept. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.